And we are going to begin with some breaking news coming in at this point in time. And this is the controversy that has now erupted over remarks that have been made against Rahul Gandhi of the Congress Party. Congress Party upping the ante against the BJP. Congress leaders are staging a protest. One after the other, we have seen some controversial statements being made by several leaders against Rahul Gandhi. And now, as we speak, we are getting reports of some Congress leaders staging a protest against the BJP. That's the big news that we are tracking for you at this point in time. Rishabh is now joining us live for more on this. Rishabh, over to you. Tell us what's happening right now.
Well, we are here at Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg, and you can see on your screen the Congress leaders are being detained here. The Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee as well as the Mahila Congress, the two frontal organizations of Congress Party here were protesting. Sir, आपको यहाँ डिटेन किया गया है, क्या कहेंगे आप?
डिटेन ये मोदी की सरकार है, ये देश की भला नहीं हम चाहते वो डिटेन कर सकती है.
So you saw it here that the protesters are being detained by Delhi police. Both the frontal organizations, the DPCC and the Mahila Congress, came on streets today. And I'll ask my camera person Vimal to keep showing you that the Mahila Congress protest still continues. The police is trying to remove it. They have enforced 163 BNSS, which means that any assembly is unlawful in this area. After the Congress leaders defied the orders of the police has now started detaining. Few of them have been detained and being taken away from the protest site, while there are more who are still on streets. The senior leaders, including the DPCC chief Dharmendra Yadav, has been taken away from the protest site, and you can see now that there are a few female protesters who are arguing with the police, trying to cross the barricade. I'll ask my camera person Vimal to also show the barricades. The Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg has completely been fortified, and the streets, the traffic on this road has been halted by the police for over 1.5 hours now. Remember, this is that street that leads to the New Delhi railway station, one of the prominent streets that lead to the railway stations and generally witness heavy traffic. But due to the protest of various political parties, this road has been blocked by the authorities every now and then.
Well, that's right, and we are seeing how the political discourse, Rishabh, has clearly stooped to a new low. More reactions coming in. Stay with us.
उनके परिवार में दो लोग इस देश के लिए शहीद हुए, शहादत हुए. इनको क्या पता है उनके बारे में? इस तरीके के बयान कर रहे हैं, शर्म आना चाहिए. इसके पीछे बीजेपी का बड़े नेता का कुमक है, इसीलिए वो इस तरीके से जो बयानबाजी करने के लिए उनका हुमक जो दे रहा है, उसके खिलाफ लगातार लड़ेंगे, बैठेंगे नहीं है. बट इनको समझना चाहिए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी उस समय में भी ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का हुकूमत चलता था, अभी वेस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का हुकूमत चल रहा है. राहुल गांधी जी, कितने भी आप लोग कोशिश करो, एक ऐसा नेता है जो इस देश को जोड़ने के लिए, मोहब्बत का धागे में जोड़ने के लिए 4,500 किलोमीटर किया, पदयात्रा किया. देश का जनता उनके अंदर, उनके साथ है. देश का लोगों के दिल में राहुल गांधी जी का जो प्यार बढ़ रहा है, इससे ये लोग जल रहे हैं. बीजेपी वाले राहुल जी चल रहे थे तब भी जल रहे हैं, अभी पार्लियामेंट में आवाज उठा रहे तब भी जल रहे हैं. इनका आदत है, इनका खून के अंदर है. ये बीजेपी नया पिट्टू को आगे और जवाब देंगे. यूथ कांग्रेस चुप नहीं रहेंगे. देश भर पिट्टू को इतना डरो मत. पिट्टू जी, आपका मंत्री पद के लिए जो बयानबाजी कर रहा है, उसको लेके बड़ी लेवल पे हम लोग ने सड़क पे उतरेगा. मोदी का पिट्टू, मोदी का पिट्टू, मोदी का पिट्टू, मोदी का पिट्टू.
So that was the reaction coming in. Now, remember, viewers, all this is happening because of a remark that was made earlier by Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu. He made a controversial #1 terrorist attack on leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, and then since then, in fact, we have seen one after the other leaders of the NDA targeting Rahul Gandhi, and this clearly shows how political discourse has stooped to a new low, and as we speak, Congress party has upped the ante against the BJP. Let's go back to Rishabh, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Rishabh, we just heard what the Congress netas have to say about Ravneet Singh Bittu specifically. Any reaction really, from the BJP on this? Because what we are seeing is complete chaos out there, and it's not the first time that these kind of remarks have been made against a political leader. We have seen this kind of vitriol, gali politics happening again and again, but this seems to be a new low this time.
Well, definitely, the remarks that have come in against Rahul Gandhi shows that, the way the political discourse has been deteriorating every passing day. As leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi holds a constitutional post, and the way threats to him have come, the way people are being, people have announced that we'll pay someone who brings Rahul Gandhi's son to us. Ravneet Singh Bittu also called him #1 terrorist in the country. Ajay Maken, the treasurer of All India Congress Committee, has reached out to police today. Early this morning, he filed a formal complaint with the Delhi police against 4 leaders from BJP and the alliance partners. And now you can see here that the way the protesters are now returning. The police have convinced the protesters to leave. Few of the senior leaders have been detained by the police, and now you can see the protesters.
Right, so you're telling us that the police officials there have managed to convince the protesters to go back. Could you just explain to us the visuals, what you're seeing right now?
ये भाजपा की निकम्मी सरकार के जो पदाधिकारी हैं, जो ये लोग, जो चाहे बिट्टू हो, चाहे वो त्रिवेंद्र सिंह बारवा हो, जो ये अपशब्द बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे अपशब्द अशोभनीय हैं, ऐसे अपशब्द नहीं बोलने चाहिए। आप राजनीति करिए, आप राहुल जी की लोकप्रियता से क्या?
Right, we'll go back to Rishabh in just a bit. Let me also go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the phone line for more on this. Sabyasachi, as Rishabh was telling us, a complaint has also been filed by Ajay Maken, and right now, can you tell us what exactly is happening? We're getting visuals of effigies being burnt outside BJP headquarters.
Well, that's right. See, effigies are being burnt by the Congress leaders. In fact, large number of Congress workers have started to gather outside the BJP headquarters. There was a call by the Congress to carry out a demonstration in front of the BJP headquarters today against the remarks made against Mr. Rahul Gandhi by Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu. Now, the Congress have decided that they are going to escalate this particular issue. In fact, K.C. Venugopal also had written a letter asking that large amount of Congress workers in different states should carry out a protest against the BJP. Today, the Congress workers have gathered and they are marching towards the BJP headquarters, where the police, in fact, have put out barricades. The DPCC President Devendra Yadav have been detained by the Delhi police, but the Congress workers are still present out there, burning the effigies of BJP leaders regarding the remarks that they have passed against Mr. Rahul Gandhi. So clearly, the Congress had called for a nationwide protest, and in the coming days, the Congress party say that they are going to escalate this particular protest, and they are intensify this protest in every single state, not only here in the national capital, but in several other states. Similar protest is going to be seen from the Congress side.
Right, and all of this is happening, Sabyasachi, in the middle of the election season. Of course, we are seeing voting of the first phase in J&K today, then it's going to be Haryana, and amidst all of this, Congress party, you're telling us, is going to escalate its attack on what Ravneet Singh Bittu had said about Rahul Gandhi. Complaint has also been filed already by Ajay Maken, and at the same time, you're telling us that in the days to come, there are going to be more such protests in different parts of the country as well, and a nationwide protest is being planned.
Well, that's right. See, a nationwide protest is being planned by the Congress party. In fact, today, Ajay Maken had written a complaint, had filed a complaint to the Delhi police regarding the statement that has been made by Ravneet Singh Bittu. So clearly at this particular time, the Congress party, in fact, is going to escalate. Now, the Congress party General Secretary K.C. Venugopal, in fact, have written a letter to all the party workers out here in the Congress party across the country. They in fact have said that these violent and hateful statements are not random but a part of a calculated campaign and designed to incite violence and normalize abuse against a leader who has emerged as a champion calling Rahul Gandhi. So clearly the Congress party in the coming days is going to intensify its protest against the BJP regarding the remark that has been passed against
So big
Rahul
statement out there coming in from the Congress party. Congress party is trying to suggest that this is not, an out of the turn comment. In fact, it seems like part of a campaign, a larger issue to incite violence against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi.